Trust is a fragile thing.
Bye, guys. Come on.
Once earned, it affords us tremendous freedom. But once trust is lost, it can be impossible to recover. Of course, the truth is, we never know who we can trust. Those we're closest to can betray us.
Police, open up!
And total strangers can come to our rescue. In the end, most people decide to trust only themselves. It really is the simplest way to keep from getting burned. Her mornings were spent running errands for her husband.
Oh, would you be a lamb and go out the back?
It's far too still tonight. Round my bed, shadows fall.
There is always an innocent victim, a deceitful villain, a prosecutor who seeks the truth, a magistrate who dispenses justice.
So, what's your issue with bail in this case, Ms. McCready?
We want bail denied, Your Honor. The defendant's company imported goods manufactured by slave labor. And his business partner, Mr. Tanaka, has already fled the country. And Mr. Solis himself has refused to surrender his passport.
Dog-ate your client's passport, Mr. Hartley?
It's been temporarily misplaced, Your Honor, but we maintain that Kisho Tanaka set up and executed the entire operation. Mr. Solis is no business partner, but merely a hired contractor. And I'd also like to point out that my client is the sole provider for his wife and his mother, who is hospitalized in a coma as we speak.
Waking again, don't know why. It's far too still tonight. Round my bed, shadows fall. Thinking of you, where you are, and how it got this far. Wondering when you might call. Tired and so alone, I ignore the TV.
The boys are in rare form, and you're still finding your way.
Turns toward the telephone.
Oh, no good. My publisher's got me under the gun for something. What about...
My mind, in my dream, I'm cursed or so.
The government's impounding it.
Don't know where to take flight.
Kids yesterday, but that could have been beginner's luck.
I don't really think I could videotape Claire. It would be a breach of trust. Trust is overrated.
Is he back for good?
The situation is, fluid. You don't really want to leave her.
Please don't psychoanalyze me. Now you're rooting for us two crazy kids to work. Even if I could find a way to deal with Bree's whole obsessive-compulsive thing.
Tanaka's still at large, and they're going to want girls to flip on him. So this is their way of playing hardball. It's all fair game if they even think they can trace it to ill-gotten gain.
I have dug myself up from dirt to afford these things.
Painting shades of gray, sifting through the disarray. Can I find enough of me to make you stay? 'Cause I'm
Say, can I store some odds and ends in your garage? Sooner's better than later.
intense and obscene, forced not to show the things that I know, all of the flaws I keep unseen.
Can I at least poke my head in on his wife?
What else can I do? Hoping to find a way to see through.
I told Zach that he could trust you, and you turned him in his appointment once.
I was in bad shape back then.
It's still going on. And now that I need some support, you decide to play the mom card?
We're not into clutter.
You turn the tide, wash over me, come set me free. I won't question why, try to disguise.
In fact, she was such a disciplinarian that when my mom made parole, I was actually happy to see her. Really? Lesser of two evils.